What does this mean?
No, I'm not sure.
Akala niyo si Jasmine yung magla-live, no? Akala niyo si Jasmine magla-live, no? Actually, ninaka ko lang yung phone niya. Tapos hinak po siya namin. Hello po. Kami po muna yung magka-cloud chase for Jasmine. No, ayan siya.
Hi everybody!
Meron pong nag-request na pumunta sa bahay namin.
Yeah.
So, ay, nalimutan ko, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, so I'm at their place. I want them to cook for me. So I'm waiting for them to cook.
So, Jasmine had... Oh. Ma'am.
So if you don't know, this is Reb, or this is Ryan, but he's Reb. He's my college best friend. No, actually, senior high, when I was senior high. So we've been best friends since 2016. And naging roommate ko din siya.
Yeah, so Jasmine was our roommate.
Sila ni Sham.
And then, na-evict siya. First siya na-evict sa bahay namin. Before siya na-evict sa TV.
I went solo.
And then she went solo.
Ooh, JP Pascual.
Sige, so, here, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So while Ryan is gonna cook, I'm gonna introduce you to someone else. Hi. So I'm gonna introduce you to... Hi!
Hi!
This is
everyone.
Epoy, or I call Epoy Epzua.
Dapat ma-spell nyo yung Epzua. Tapos,
Yes, it's...
may prize kayo kung mas-spell nyo yung Epzua.
Oo, may prize kayo kung maano nyo, yung Epzua.
Clue, it's French. So, baka maka-help yun.
Etymology.
Manukat. Joke lang. Isa-shoutout namin kayo kapag alam niyo yung spelling ng Epzua.
Epzua.
Yeah. Ay, ayun, malapit na, pero wrong spelling yun. Wrong.
Wrong. Next.
Epzua, wrong pa rin. Meron siyang silent letter na hindi nyo in-expect.
Epzua. Epzua. How do I spell it?
Clue! Wala siyang vowels.
Yo, sorry.
Daw. Epzua.
Epzua.
Hindi ni sila Bisaya, no?
No, they're
No,
not.
they're not Bisaya.
Oh my gosh.
There are Bisaya actually. Hepwa, Epwa, Epzua.
If you know the silent letter, then it's going to be easier for you to spell it out.
Wow.
Diba? Any guess? What's the secret letter?
Epzua.
Yeah. Oh, no, just a hint. It rhymes with...
It's a pronoun. What?
Who is that daw? May mga college besties. Kasama ko sa social civic organization ko before. So this is Epoy, Epzua. That's Shem.
The X.
The X.
And then this is Ryan, Reb.
So bago naging pretty girl na lang si Jasmine. Meron po siyang leadership background. Kami po yung kasama niya.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mga mentors ko sila.
So,
wow!
Gulang na kayo.
Matalino po talaga siya minsan.
Minsan.
Okay. Yes.
What?
Okay, so we asked questions. Actually, yeah, sa X. If you have questions, so there's a thread na Ask Jazz. So some questions that you wanna know about me, and then si Epzua,
Yes.
which you didn't, no one I think guessed the spelling.
Wala pa rin. Oo.
I-reveal na lang namin later.
Epsa. Alam niyo ito itong color.
Gender reveal.
Yeah, it's giving
It's a
gender
girl?
reveal. And it's a gay. Hindi lalaki din. Hindi tayo lalaki. Epswa. Meron pa rin nag-guess.
Thank you for
Hi!
thank you for trying your best for guesting.
I love your
Yes.
hair color. Thank you, by the way.
Sorry. I think we need a mic.
Thank you.
We really need
This is
them.
yours.
Oh, thank you. Sige. This. Mic ko daw to. Spelling bee ang atake.
Hindi na kayo nagtatanong, guys. You can also
Ayun,
ask
here.
here.
Yeah, you can also ask, pero nandito kami sa X. Okay.
Ano yung course? Jazz took up Foreign Affairs. In other programs, it's called International Relations. Sabi sa inyo, matalino siya minsan.
Hi.
So,
Sorry, masakit kasi mata ko. Bakit nag-reflect ba? Sakit yung eyes ko.
hindi naman. Yeah. Should I ask this one?
Yeah, okay.
So there's a question from X, formerly Twitter, no? For those of you who are not familiar.
Oh, we're gonna read that. Sige, very host. Ano yan? Sige.
Baka di kayo baka yung mga hindi pa aware ano yung X, baka weird siya na sound for you, but that's Twitter before. Merong mga questions. May mga questions here, no? So if you wanna ask a question, just tweet, tapos mag-hashtag kayo, Ask Jazz. Ayun. We have here a lot of questions already. And yung first one na napili namin is from... Uy, wag na lang sabihin yung ano.
Just don't say the name.
Yeah.
The name, yeah. Pero meron nag-ask, hashtag.
I think kailangan ng stop. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ask Jazz for tonight. We are changing hosts because our host is defective.
Hindi, kasi yung weird na ngalan niya. Pero anyways, ayun.
What's the name? Let's see.
No, hindi.
Let's not read the names.
Cannot read.
Oo. I am dyslexic for now. Ang question, Jazz, is, what is your life verse?
Si Kea pa naman.
Wow.
Kea, hindi siya marunong magbasa ng pangalan mo.
Yeah. Hi, Kea.
Thanks, Kaya, for the question.
Yeah.
Again, it is, what is your life verse?
Okay. So my life verse that I live by it's Isaiah 60 verse 22. It's when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. And parang that has been a verse talaga din na I stick by it. Like parang everything that I say, kunwari like, bahala na si God, I let go and let God, Jesus take the wheel. Yung mga ganon, it always boils down to that verse. Na parang I'll just, trust in Him, trust in His process. I'll pray about it. And then, yun.
Is there any moment sa life mo na you felt like, oh, I'm living in, like, this is what happens when you trust in the Lord. Parang ganyan. Oh, I'm living through my trust.
When I moved to Manila, that was
Oh, wow.
2022. So when I moved to Manila,
Okay.
parang, okay, this is me trusting God. Na parang I didn't really have a plan
Yeah.
when I moved here. It was like, okay, this is my waiting season for what is about to come. And then I just really let go. And then eventually the stars aligned for me. And then, yun, I got a job in a fashion magazine after that. And then I did some workshops. I met so many people. And then went into PBB after. So parang I said, I had plans before. Really staying in Manila. But then hindi natuloy yung plan na yun because God has greater plans for me. And I just trusted the process.
I love that.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's
Very
just
serious.
all about trusting the process. And that was a risk worth taking din naman. And you can see that.
Yeah.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
It was really about, I feel like sitting with the discomfort. Sitting with discomfort, really. So I'm really happy that you're able to
Sit through it.
sit through it.
Yeah.
Now, I feel like you're in a good season. I believe we all are in a good season.
Ah.
So,
She's now
But the
sitting
season
through.
of waiting is very difficult.
That is true.
Waiting for
yeah.
your prayers, waiting for God's redirection. It's very hard. It's very difficult. But you really have to be patient. And then because we can't just praise or be thankful kay God
Yeah.
when we're all like
So since
happy.
we're talking about like discomfort, like or sitting with it, I see a question here, and it's how do you what's your biggest fear? I'm sorry for being serious, but what's the fear? What's a fear, Jazz? Because we talk about like, diba, like you like.
fear is not having genuine happiness for me.
Oh,
And
wow.
peace. Kayo din, di ba? Agree?
When was the last time you were fearful?
Now.
No!
Now,
Anyway, sobrang serious na ng question. Let's go to fun questions naman. Do you still play airsoft or shooting? Not anymore, but I have plans. I have plans the next coming weeks, probably. I'll go shooting.
Somewhere here.
There.
as in,
Airsoft.
Area.
Airsoft ha. Wag fake news.
Not the real deal. Yeah.
Yeah, shooting muna because I really miss it also. So definitely that's something that
At what age you started playing airsoft?
grade 7.
Wow.
12 years
So
old.
Were you good at it? Some people, some people
Well,
say,
they're out.
some people say that they do it, but are you good at it though?
I am. No, because before when I entered shooting, walang masyadong nagbabae na nagsushoot. So usually when we enter competitions, for my age bracket, 3 lang kami. So 3 lang kami na nanalo.
Oh,
So,
did you win?
yeah.
Oh, wow, she's a winner.
What's your-
She's a winner.
what's your favorite subject daw, man?
Definitely not math.
Not math. My favorite subject is... What's my favorite subject?
Agree.
Ethno-political landscape.
Eh, sino yung nagtitake ng subject na yun ngayon? Wala.
No, but it's interesting. Ethno-political landscape is our political landscape. So we talk about the political landscape, how the political landscape is shaped by our ethnic backgrounds.
Yeah.
So there are many issues across the world that's focused on your ethnic background only. Like a lot of global issues is centered on our ethnic background. So we have a lot in Africa. Actually, have a lot here in Southeast Asia also. So
Yeah.
It's my favorite subject. Yeah.
I understand. I really like the subject also.
Talking about backgrounds, Jazz, what are you most proud of sa background mo?
Wow, sobrang seryoso naman ang question. Pasabog yung
Ikaw
friends
na
ko,
bahala.
guys.
Ate, sino crush mo sa Big Brother? Si Big Brother.
Si Big
Si Big
Brother.
Brother
Yun yung
po.
na-share niya sa amin.
So alam mo how he or she or they look like.
It.
So we don't
Favorite song daw.
Favorite song.
My favorite song as of the moment,
Yeah, go.
Jesus Take the Wheel by Carrie. Carrie Underwood.
kay Jonella.
Janela Salvador. Di pwede kay nanay. Joke. Janela, like the D.
Sining, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Dionella.
Singing like arts. Yes.
Yeah, any song niya, yeah, very
Guys, if you have a song suggestion, Jazz can dance it.
Yeah.
Not sing it. She can dance it.
Ano favorite food? Favorite food ko is pastries, any pastry. I can eat bread
All day.
Oh my gosh,
whole
that's so
day.
true.
I can eat bread whole week.
Sige,
Let's-
let's ask Epoy. Epoy, what's your favorite memory? Okay, what was the first time? When was like in college? What was your first encounter with jazz?
I don't know. First
Ay, okay, next
encounter.
time. Okay.
Pero I remember kasi she was young pa when we met. I was also young. Yeah, she was senior high school. I think I was around second year college. And I remember her just being very...
Tagalog.
Naalala ko siya. Na very lively, energetic, zesty to some extent. Full of life. And
Zesty orange ka ba?
She used to be full of life.
so ano ngayon?
Full of life.
Full of life.
I don't know.
Yeah, nothing in particular, pero I just remember the feeling of meeting her. And I think that's what's most
I remember
important.
the first time we met.
Yeah, you were nakaganon ka sa
Campaign?
campaign
Was it?
season.
I think I still have your photo.
Bakit
Yeah,
ka
campaign
No,
season.
kasi they were campaigning. So, for context, we were running for the student government. Tapos, they were campaigning for something. Then I looked sa mirror. Actually, I have a photo of you.
Sige.
While they were in the room.
Yeah, well,
Nasa room sila.
The first time I met Jazz, we were talking in our headquarters and we had a productive talk. We were talking, ganito, ganyan. And
I
after
called you the
walked-
wrong name.
like we were talking, hey, for like a long ass 10 minutes of good conversation. But she didn't know me. So when I walked out, she called me by a different name. Hey! And
No,
yung
na-call
tinawag
ko
niya-
yung name ng partner na sa pag-run sa
He
department.
called my other partner. So siya yung lumapit. Oh, what's this guy's name pala? So after that encounter, we had to reintroduce ourselves.
Oh, what are your friends' name? This is Epzua, Epoy.
Zua.
Where I call Epoy Epzua, so you can call Epoy Epzua. This
Pero,
is
yeah.
Reb.
Reb.
This
And then
is
that's Shem.
I'm Shan, everybody.
Wala pa rin correct spelling.
Bawal kaming awayin ni Jasmine sa ang dami ng pictures sa kanya.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, so you saw me, I was campaigning. Tapos,
No.
Pala kampanya po siya.
Oh my god, you know what's a good memory of you? Kasi when you run for the elections in Silliman, you have a schedule. Date to campaign for a specific department. So kami ni Jazz, we were campaign managers. So what happened was, that was a schedule for, I think, senior high. So we went to a classroom and we were like, hey everybody, what's up? And all of a sudden, when we were telling them, oh, this is our party, this is how competent we are, and she pointed to a person, and that was out of our script. She was like, hey, I know you. You're my classmate from PE.
what?
Pero kilala mo kilala niya talaga.
Yeah, and she said, is this a senior high class? Oh no, we're not allowed to campaign here. We're gonna leave. Oh, thank you, everyone.
Parang midway, nasa script
That was in the
namin.
middle of the campaign. Oh guys, this is a wrong room. Sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. We love you. Let's go. Back up. That's crazy.
Actually, we were like, just like
Uy,
this
bakit
lang.
daw puro English? Huwag daw puro
Ay, sige,
English.
sorry.
Sorry.
Ganito lang din kami years before, like just talking to people and being ourselves.
But you English.
Ay, oo, ganito lang din talaga kami noon pa.
Di,
It's hard kasi...
Choco Malupay. Yun yung bond natin before.
Tsaka malay. Favorite.
Who's your crush artist? Ang crush ko ay... live ko pala.
Wala akong crush na.
Yung mga questions na hindi mo i-answer, ako na lang.
Sige.
Bigay na lang sa akin, no?
Sige. Grabe! May tanong, what's your dream wedding?
Ha? Wedding agad?
Sige, so ang dream wedding namin for Jazz ay...
Sige, go.
I want a beach wedding for her.
Why?
Because she's a beach person.
Yeah. And she needs to come from the beach.
Oh, so it's opposite.
So,
Yeah, she
So
needs
wet siya.
wet look.
Yeah.
Two-piece.
Sino ba favorite niyo sa mga best friend niyo?
Definitely not Jazz. Definitely not Jazz. Not Jazz.
Ay, banda kayo, simba ko.
Proud tawi-tawi. Wow. Grabe.
Guys, sige na mag-English, pero
Kasi mga Bisaya dira.
kabalugid ng Bisaya. And we know how to speak Tagalog too.
Bisaya man yung dahuong.
Yeah,
Jazz,
Bisaya.
what's your favorite Bisaya word?
I always say simba ko. I always say simba ko. Like, if nanonood kayo ng PBB, or kung napalabas siya, ay, simba ko. But then, another word that really, like, parang lately, it's very parang,
Resonate.
it resonated with me, is puhon.
Okay.
Puhon
What
is
does
such a...
puhon mean?
Puhon? Sa takdang panahon.
Correct.
Di ba? Parang,
Yeah.
puhon, like, I think it relates to my life verse pa rin.
2017 Jasmine.
Na whatever happens, oh my gosh.
But what about like puhon? Like, diba? I also read that tweet na puhon is now.
Puhon can be now.
Yeah, right?
Like, my puhon before is now already.
Year na yun.
Boy, who's your celebrity idol daw?
You're looking at it. Me.
Definitely not her.
Sure. Celebrity idol, local ba yan? International or intergalactic?
Intergalactic na.
Tingnan natin.
Decide.
The nose. Ay, oo, sige. Mag-ano na talaga kami. Magtatagay.
Sorry, automatic. Ano na yung question? Nasaan na yung phone? Wala.
We're not doing a very good job, guys.
Sorry, ang gulo.
I have a question here on Twitter, Just. May plano ko ba mag-join ng pageant?
Ooh.
Depende kung papayag kami.
Yeah.
Sila kasi yung ano.
Kaya nagde-decision.
May planning.
I don't think.
Wala pa po siyang planner. Bibili po kami.
Yes. Kailangan pa mag-collect ng stickers.
Parang di pa ready yung national stage for her.
Yung stage yung hindi
Pa ready. Wala pang venue.
No, I don't think so.
Not yet. I'll decide.
Not so. I'm not closing my doors din naman for that. Pero kasi I'm not tall.
Tall?
Yeah, I'm not tall.
And most of them
Yeah.
sa mga requirements.
Not naman. I think we don't have requirements anymore for
MEPH.
MEPH or ganun. Pero like, maybe there are other girls also na more deserving to be,
That really want it.
That
and
really
work
wants
hard
it,
for
yes.
Truly.
yeah. Maybe I can have another stage. And I can also represent women
Yes.
in another platform.
Mamaraan.
Yes.
Marami
sa
namang-
ibang paraan.
Yes.
Ano bang mas gusto ko daw? Teleserye or movie?
Ooh.
Both. Why not?
What would be, ano yung paborito mong teleserye? Or ano sa movie?
Ano, teleserye?
Pelikula.
We used to watch a lot of pelikulas.
Actually,
ni Jazz.
both of them, they
Yeah.
watch like, kapag bibisita ako sa condo nila before, ayun,
What did we watch? We watched Ling Lang.
Ling Lang. I think the last one that we watched together
What was
was
it na yung pinapanood
high
ko
school.
palagi?
Senior high
Kailan?
school din.
Senior High.
Senior high.
Pero di ba,
Senior High. Yeah.
yun yung
Dirty Linen. That's why kanina, when she arrived here, sabi ko sa kanya, just manood ka ng Lavender Field.
Kasi may Jasmine na character doon.
Oo, si Jasmine Flores.
Flores. Yeah, my mom watches Lavender.
Actually, inspired yun by her dad.
Yeah.
I saw a lot of comments. Ano sila? Kinsan na yung mga
Sorry kayo ha. Bago rin yun yung makitaan. Pero,
These are my best friends. They also studied in Philemon.
Kami ang unang housemates ni
Sabi
Justin.
yung unang bashers ni Jazz.
kami ang una basher, so sorry.
Sorry sa mga bago. This is Epzua.
Wag po yung nakakuha sa correct spelling.
Yeah, no, oo. Walang nakatama ng spelling ng Epzua.
So, before that, let's see unsa tayo pwede na question.
Okay,
Unsa akong makeup? Uy, ako ga-make. Ay, hindi ako nag-makeup. Ano kayo? Hindi. Natural look lang
I
to
don't,
eh.
sorry. Ang dami ko nakita na questions. What is my hair color? Actually, hindi ko alam. Si Mami Peps na, nung sa yung nag-ano sa color. May pinakita lang ako na photo.
Parang, di ba siya hazelnut or something?
Oh, I don't know. But it's balayage. That's what I know.
Balayage.
Yeah, balayage.
Yung sa akin naman, sa mga curious, it's, I think, Diet Pepsi. Yung color niya. Ay, so, yung color ko, ayun.
Who is your greatest
Black.
celebrity crush?
Crush ko,
Oo, celebrity crush mo.
latest.
Oo, latest.
Nag-watch kami kanina ng Malyari. So, yung supporting actress.
I wanna watch Malyari.
Si Piolo.
We didn't finish it though.
Actually.
Kasi, sabi nga ni Ryan kanina, this is too intense for breakfast.
Gore for
It's too gore for morning.
It's
And I
Ayaw namin
said,
nag-watch.
what does gore mean?
Gore.
If you're
Gorgeous!
if you're not in showbiz right now, what career will you pursue?
Interesting.
Probably if wala ako sa showbiz now, I'd still be working sa Mega as an account manager. I'd still be there. It's fun, yeah. Pero, and after siguro, maybe by 2025, I'll review na. No, I'll start reviewing for Foreign Service Officer exam.
Correct! FSO.
Dapat, FSOE, dapat, pero nasa showbiz na ako. So I'm gonna explore this more and then it'll forever be a dream, hopefully, to be a diplomat someday.
So you're not closing your doors?
I'm not closing my doors to anything. Life is short. Why will I close my doors to all the opportunities that will
Life is
come my
short. Ano
way.
yung height niya?
Life is short. Tapi
Ano yung
height ko
height niya?
short. 5'4".
What's a book you want to read?
Yeah, it's here.
Ooh, actually,
She asked.
The Bible.
I asked about it, but then ito, the In Peace and Freedom, I was looking at that kanina.
Okay.
Oh, I got that sa States.
Bye.
Oh,
I got that sa States.
So, may mga
we went-
books kasi si Ryan.
We went to, I got this book when we went to the church where Martin Luther King preaches.
what's this? Have you read this, Nadong?
Peaceful Revolution.
Oh, okay.
It's In Peace and Freedom, My Journey in Selma. But I also want to read, because sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, I started reading James Patterson Private, the series.
Like book dito da, that book doon.
Yeah, like book there.
Ano yung best
And it's
lessons
mystery.
for you?
Sa ano?
The lessons that you learned from what you read.
It's siguro yung greatest lesson from yung book ni Jaren. Because I think it was 13 things mentally stable people don't do.
Ma'am, di ba daw kamulib dumagete, ma'am?
Puhon, na ang dumagate nga. Ready na ba sila na ako?
Di ba
Nakakaulit.
mag-fiesta, di ba?
Yeah, fiesta.
25?
Pandamanga.
Anyway, so it's a really good book about what not to do, or like at least just to help you, because it was a story of yung author. I forgot the author. Basta orange yung cover.
Ah, yes.
Yes. Hanapin natin there.
Dun lang.
Basta she wrote the book because she was struggling in terms of grieving.
You also recommend this
namatay
book?
mom niya.
So yun yung binabasa palagi ni Jaren.
Yeah, that was what Jaren brought inside. So everyone as our housemates, like, we read it. Because it really helps you also. So mga books na ganun, it really helps you broaden your knowledge and, you know, to understand yourself more, to understand the people around you more. And I think that's what's really important.
Perspective.
Your perspective changes. Ito. Yun naman talaga eh. It's scary if you're not gonna change.
May question kanina na sana mag-vlog kayo with them. Uy!
Oo, sige. Asa na ba yung go?
Hindi ko
Just
kaya.
May YouTube channel ka before. What if mag-vlog ka na ulit? Vlog ka na ulit.
Yeah, I will vlog
Is it
soon. I
available?
said that to them.
I mean, is it...
Available pa ba siya on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still there actually.
So, better subscribe now. No?
Yeah.
Ano lang.
Hello?
Grabe.
Mahal ka or
Mahal mo. Uy.
Mahal namin ang isa't isa. Yun. Yes.
Mutual.
No, we have to love each other talaga at the end of the day. Pero lalamang talaga yung respect and loyalty. Because you can always love, and there's a different levels of loving a person. It could be platonic, it could be romantic. It could be romantically like involved. So love will always be there. Love is universal. But respect and loyalty, that's really hard to earn.
Yes.
Also,
So hard to work for.
work for.
Takes years or take time.
Yeah.
Anyways, my question dito, what inspired you to become involved in advocacy and what issues do you feel most passionate about? No?
Screenshot
That's the right
to.
question.
Or ano yung parang nag-drive sa'yo or nag-inspire sa'yo para maging active sa advocacy at ano yung issue na gusto mo sanang pagtuunan ng pansin or you're passionate about?
Wow.
Grabe.
I think in school,
Yeah.
I think it started talaga with my dad. Yun naman talaga I always say. Because I see him being there for other people also, doing initiatives, volunteering for so many things. So when I was still young, nakikita ko na siya. But then Silliman, my school, really helped me also become an advocate. Advocate for myself, advocate for other people. And then I met them.
Correct.
Sila yung nag-push din also for me to go out there, be out there, volunteer, do everything. So we do leadership, mga advocacies. We do, kasi si Ryan, ito si Reb, very ano lang to, pero ang dami niyang own advocacies. So he does marine conservation workshops also before. So I volunteer, I do hosting also before for him. So we do that. So anything and everything naman, but right now yung gusto kong tuunan talaga, like as of the moment, I think it's mental health.
That's where I come in.
Yeah.
That's where I come in.
That's where Eczema comes in. Pero mental health talaga, I think now that I'm in a bigger platform na, I've experienced so many things. So, let's say bashing, hurtful words that are thrown at me, my family, or the people around me. I think I can say na I can become an advocate for mental health. I have my own experiences also that can help other people understand. I can understand them more also.
But I also think
So, yun.
a good perspective to that is bakit let's also try to look into values. Kasi bashing happens when magkaiba yung values ng people. And so if we can, yeah, like what you're doing with yung kids, that was also a good
Yung when
Nag-outreach na.
nag-outreach, yeah.
It really
We should
starts at home.
And it starts with when I did Miss Seliman, kasi it's a advocacy-based pageant. So required kami may advocacy. My advocacy was youth lead.
Dapat mas mabigat yun.
Yes, leadership enhancement and development. And what made it different from any other advocacy nung time na yon na I was doing is we focused on the younger generations, like elementary. Yung shaping pa-enter sila ng high school. Para at least they're not still 100% fixated. They're still transitioning.
Yeah.
Ito yung awkward stages in life.
Figuring out things.
Things out. So it starts with the kids talaga.
Teacher Garnet.
Hi, Teacher Garnet.
And also, going back then, it also starts at home. Like, you learning things from your dad. Diba?
Yes, everything starts at home. So we have to understand more people also.
Where they come from.
Where different environment naman
Yeah.
tayo. Guys, ilang tao sa mundo? 7 billion? 8 billion? Ilan na ba?
6 na daw.
Ay, 6 na bumaba. Ang daming tao sa mundo, guys. So, we're technically different. Kasi
Yes.
for all the same, that's so boring.
Exactly.
And we learn from everyone. It's always like that. Life is like that. No one is perfect. Ganon.
Jazz, what's your favorite dish to cook?
To cook.
Chicken cordon bleu is my favorite dish to cook.
Why?
Oh my gosh, ang sarap
Yeah.
gumawa ni Jasmine ng chicken cordon bleu. We should ask you to make that.
We've been trying to, but
We should make that
too busy.
again.
She's too busy.
Okay.
Cordon bleu.
Yeah, I always make like special occasions or ganon.
Guys, mag-order kayo.
Yeah, chicken cordon bleu is my special recipe. Yeah. Anyway. Langin at sige.
Hi!
Oh, alin mas madali to take accountability for your mistakes or to forgive people who wronged you?
Uy, grabe.
Wow! I think it
Walang ulit.
alam niyo, screenshot ko to kasi pag mag-vlog ako, gusto ko
You talk about
masama.
those things.
Yes.
Accountability.
Oh my gosh!
Wala.
What?
It just takes what's that?
Oh, this is different.
Ay, God.
I was like, what?
Hindi ka na rin. Lahat din na.
Sorry, OA. Okay, akala kasi namin.
Ma'am, cellphone, meron na ako gagawin ko.
Alin mas madali to take accountability for your mistakes or to forgive people who wronged you? I think for me, to take accountability for my mistakes. Parang nasanay kasi ako, people around me sila. Like, senior high ako, or like even junior high, yun na yung sinasabi sa mga mentors ko, na you have to take accountability for your mistakes.
And I feel like it takes a huge
Deal of humility.
humility and self-awareness. Like kasi there are a lot of people that can easily say, oh,
English.
maraming tao, like, sinasabi nila, they easily say na, oh, kasalanan mo to, but it's so easy. Mas madali kasi to point.
No, it's easier to pinpoint kasi
Yeah.
to other people
Than
to blame.
to acknowledge it yourself.
You're always gonna look for someone else to blame.
Yeah.
And I think that's a human thing na we always do.
Yeah.
Pero to take accountability, feeling ko naman, I don't know, like kayo naman maka-attest for me. Pero I easily forgive people. Yun din yung ano ko. Pinapagalitan ako ng friends ko because bakit daw ang bilis ko mag-forgive ng tao kahit gano'n kabigat yung kasalanan. So, yun.
And I feel like, apart from forgiving other people immediately, I feel like you can also really assess na, oh, I should forgive myself too.
Yun yung mahirap for me.
Yeah.
Forgiving myself, for me, is the hardest. Pero forgiving other people, that's easy for me.
Yeah.
Why do you find it difficult?
I don't know, because I hold the baggage talaga.
Yeah.
So hard. And then yun, parang I feel like, shocks, nabigyan ko siya ng trauma, shocks, nasaktan ko siya, ng ganito, and I can never forgive myself. Kasi for me, alam ko how I process things already. Alam ko na, okay, if he or she hurts me, sige, I will move forward from this. Eventually, I'll be okay. Pero I don't know how the other person will take it in the long run.
Okay.
So parang I don't want na dadalhin niya rin yung baggage. I don't know. Parang yun.
Pero mahirap yun.
Mahirap. And I've learned that din sa bahay ni Kuya na sinabi ako ni Kuya na just, you need to forgive yourself. You need to be the ate that you deserve and that you need. Yan yung sabi ni Kuya.
And you're still learning how to do it.
And I'm still
That's
learning.
okay.
Not required
Yeah.
I mean,
English, ma'am.
sorry.
And okay lang
Oo,
yun.
Bisaya. I mean, Tagalog.
Hindi siya one-size-fits-all approach.
Yes.
Totoo yun.
Different siya for others. Kasi hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung inexperience, ano yung previous trauma or like
Yeah.
Na ibang tao.
yung environment ng person that really puts a huge part in someone's healing, someone's processing, and just simply parang paano yan i-receive ng tao? Like, what is their, like, how do they receive
Mga ganun bagay.
bashing, criticism?
Sorry, someone's calling.
Wait, someone's calling.
But yeah,
So
yun.
anyways,
Growth eh. At the end of the day, it's growth. We're all human beings. We all make mistakes. We all learn from it. We all move forward.
and we all grow.
So, for, yeah, yun.
Oo. Yeah,
Jasmine, ano yung favorite number mo sa electric fan? Or aircon?
Sa electric fan, number 2, hindi masyadong malakas. Masyadong malamig. Damigin kasi ako.
Ay, correct. Sa bakin ko yan, malamig na.
Sobra.
All the time?
All the time, God is good.
Ino ka pang aircon?
No.
So that's why you hang out sa labas.
Yeah, but then sometimes it gets too hot na, so papasok na naman kami ulit.
Oh.
So it's in and out kami sa bahay. It's cold, pero sometimes hindi lahat ng aircon's on.
Now you
Pero it's
know.
still cold. Kaya lagi kaming nakasuot ng maya na, yung maya na parang sleeves.
So magdala kayo ng jacket. Sa mga
Pag
next
gusto nyo,
housemate.
sa mga future
Oo.
housemates dyan, malamig po talaga sa bahay ni Kuya. So,
How was it during the bagyo season? Or yung bagyohan din kayo? Did you also feel it inside? Na-feel nyo din ba?
meron lang yan na nag-flood on this. May water
Oo.
lang na umakyat. Pero hindi naman. I think it's more of kami lahat worry. Kasi we
Yeah.
don't have news talaga from outside.
That is very...
Like about family namin. Like,
Nakaka-anxious din yun.
yeah, yun.
Kasi also, someone living in QC, I know how it was like, during that, kalimutan ko na anong bagyo yun. Pero, nakita ko rin sa news.
Before Christine. I
Before
think.
Christine.
Yung kakapasok lang namin sa PBB.
Yes.
Parang, a week,
Ang lalaki yun na name. Tapos, ayun, nakita namin na pinasok din ng bagyo yung bahay ni Kuya. So, I was
Nag-audition
thinking-
po kasi. Sorry.
So, nag-think din ako na, how about them? How did they get in touch with news? Diba?
Yeah.
Wala silang source of information.
Yeah.
How did that feel? Ano yung pakiramdam na parang you were isolated from the world, Jazz?
It
For
felt,
like months.
kasi parang we didn't really know it was that lala.
Yeah.
Yung bagyo.
Sa ibang parts.
Yeah. Hindi namin alam gano'ng kalala. Pero parang nalaman namin kasi yun, sinabihan na kami Kuya. So we did the song, we did everything.
And the prayer.
And the prayer we did it. So parang doon na namin nalaman na, grabe, really clueless. And then syempre, we're very blessed.
Right.
Kasi we're safe inside the bahay ni Kuya, we have shelter, we have food, we have the necessities that we need. So yun. Kaya prayers lang yung gawa. Pero you're very anxious talaga. Ay mapapa-anxious ka talaga sa loob ng bahay. Because you don't know anything. But, so in terms of Baguio, in terms of like health ng family namin, yung mga ganun, yun yung mga things na we're very anxious.
Yeah.
Pero, the other things, no. Ignorance is bliss for us.
Yes, also sometimes nakakatulong din siya.
Yeah, being inside Kuya's house, it was
double-edged.
a bubble for everyone talaga. So, it was a bubble for us. And then,
You know what, napaisip ako na, what a good thing to experience like in this day and age na parang
To be disconnected.
yeah, kasi very tayo, nakatutok tayo palagi sa mga phones natin, mga devices, like even at work, naka-laptop tayo,
Oo.
naka-social media tayo palagi, pero just to be disconnected for a while, I think what a gift sana din yun to feel like, no? Pero again, meron din siyang siguro
Caveats.
Oo, disadvantages, pero
Imagine making your work social media.
'di ba? If trabaho mo
Yeah.
social media palagi, tapos you get to be disconnected from that for a while, paano ka? How will you survive? I mean, part na talaga siya ng nature. Part na talaga siya ng ano natin 24/7. So, I guess yun yung parang question ko ngayon, Jazz, na yun yung inisip ko kasi na wow, I'm so proud of Jazz kasi risk talaga yun to take, di ba, to disconnect from the world for a while. Kasi alam ko, di ba, na nag-work ka, you have friends, basically, you all have
Yeah, I have
lives.
work, yeah.
Pero, ipopost mo muna yun for a while. Ano yung parang nag-push sa'yo to decide na kunin ko muna tong opportunity na ito. Pero risk din siya at the same time.
Wala. Kasi 'di ba parang when I audition, sabi ko talaga, if it's for me, it's for me. Yun talaga. So, while doing like the entire audition process, I was also working at the same time.
Correct.
So, parang sabi ko, wala namang mawawala sa akin also if hindi ako makuha. But at least I tried. Sabi ko, ang daming iba na pang ilan na to nila. So, sabi ko, this is my first time. So, I didn't really expect much. First time ko yun. So, I didn't expect much. And nung nalaman ko na maging housemate ako ni Kuya, syempre, I took the chance. Sabi ko, it's an opportunity that came. And not everyone can have this opportunity at this very moment.
That's true.
So, kinuha ko na siya, Grinab. And kasi, in a sense, I can be a risk taker.
You are.
You are.
Yeah.
For moving here,
yeah,
saying yes to opportunity.
But somehow pumapasok yung pagiging realistic ko in life. Because I am more realistic than idealistic.
What's
Makes sense.
the first thing you would do if you go to Dumaguete?
Seeing my friends and my family.
Like, if you go to Siliman, what's
Cheese bread.
Really?
Mahal
Not
na yung
tempura.
bread roll
So,
ko.
Oh, bossing's tempura!
It's so expensive.
Shout out, Bossing! Papa ni Rexy. Papa ni Rexy.
Bossing's tempura, guys. If you go to Silliman University, definitely try yung Bossing's tempura.
And Bukatur.
And Bocator.
Bukatur with
Clean
the
up.
Silliman University
University.
Core Campus Ambassador.
And watch theater or a play
Yes,
sa Luz
Sam.
Auditorium.
And vote for...
God,
Akala ko di pwede. Ay,
yun. Yeah, Bossing's tempura and cheese bread.
Yes.
How much na yung cheese bread?
Expensive.
Charlie,
30.
love you, ST.
What? 30 na?
Bakit wala si Nurse Ellie?
20. Because I remember Alan
Nurse
buying one box
Ellie.
para sa Cebu people niya. I forgot, but it was
Wow. I remember it was 12 pesos before.
expensive. Inflation.
Inflation. Okay.
So, Dumaguete is really home for us, and we hope na when you visit, it will also be home for you too.
Teka lang.
Ano yan?
Oh, this is not for me. This is for me.
Let's answer it anyway.
Then my question, but this is not for me. I think this is for another
Another
Jazz. Ay,
But
bakit
let's answer
nawala?
it anyway.
Well,
Ano, we'll answer it.
Have you tried reporting ba daw sa class na hindi ka nakapag-prepare?
Yes! You just wing it.
Jesus take the wheel.
You just take the wheel. Like, I've tried not being prepared for my presentation. For example, my PowerPoint and everything. Yung nalalaman ko lang na, tapos on the spot. Like, whatever I got from it, yun na, ini-explain ko lang, ini-expound ko lang, bigyan mo lang ng examples. Yun lang.
Confidence.
And talk about you.
Yes.
What you know.
Oh, yeah, I feel like that's number one rule. Talk about something that you know.
So, kung hindi mo yun alam, huwag mo nang i-talk
Don't
about
force
kasi
it.
baka tatanungin ka
yeah,
pa.
that's...
to talk about something you don't know.
Yeah.
Yes, true.
So, ang alam ko lang ngayon is gutom na. Charis.
Gutom ka na. Where will you spend your birthday next month? Dumaguete or Manila? I don't know. Where?
Hala, ay, Sagittarius, sorry.
Capricorn.
Ano next month ang ingon? January?
Next month. December.
Ang galing ah.
December, I think 21 ang ano.
What abot? Kasi I'm a
24 ko.
Sagittarius and she's a Capricorn.
Yeah, I'm a Capricorn. December
But
24.
we are December babies.
Yeah, we are December babies.
So shout out sa mga December babies dyan.
What is your greatest what if? That question is very deep kasi. I don't think it's a conversation here. But I'll take note of that question sa vlog ko na lang.
Correct dahil.
Kasi parang ang deep. Ang deep din ang sagot ko niyan.
Marami ka bang what ifs na naisip mo right now?
Greatest what if eh, isa lang.
Okay. So,
Like, pag tinanong talaga ako, ang dali ko what ifs, of course.
Yeah.
Pero greatest what if, I have one.
that deserves to be,
Yeah.
documented talaga. Not
Yes.
just through live.
Yeah.
Documented study.
and studied. Yeah, anyway. Hanap
Anyways,
tayo
may
ng-
question ako kasi since yung birthday mo malapit sa Pasko, New Year,
Yeah.
ano ba, sineselebrate ba together yung birthday mo with the holiday season? How do you feel growing up na ganun siya? Yung
Like, isa lang yung Christmas at birthday gift.
Oo, iniisa lang. Tama ba yun, term?
Hindi na siya karelate. Kaya sa na yung gift sa papa.
Ah.
Hindi.
Sige, next question. How about me? My birthday is
No, pero kasi
10.
December 24. Siguro my parents made it a point also na separate din. May celebration kami sa 24th. Pero kasi sa 25th, it's just gonna be the four of us lang. Like my dad, my mom, me and my younger brother. Yun yung tradition namin na kaming apat. In the morning, Christmas gifts, ganon. Pero pag 24, it's really my day. Oo.
Birthday din sa, ano ko, brother ko din, 24. Shout out
talaga?
sa iyo. Shout out. Hindi, birthday din niya. 24.
Ganahan kay ko nga nanugo sila pa uli og dumagete just.
Babilan niyo ako ng ticket pa uwi.
Lagi, mahal na kayong ticket pa uwi.
That's... Ow!
Uy!
No, I'm fine. It was just like...
Hi, we're the risk. Will you take us? Oh.
Depending on what the risk is.
Sila daw, we are the risk.
Show
Midlife
your-
crisis, hindi pa guys. Sasabihin ko kayo pag mag-35 na ako.
Yeah, mag-quarter life pa siya. Mag-quarter life
The
ka.
quarter life.
Guys, yung easy questions naman oh.
Yeah. And who gets to say kung midlife ang 15, quarter life ang 25? Hindi
You're
mo kaya
here.
alam na yun. You know, so that's why we have
Asa
to
na po
live.
si Jasper?
Jasper.
Who's Jasper?
Ate Jess, Kuya
One
Reg,
said, babaeng bakla ka daw. Is that true? You want to see your side?
Pag,
Kami rin makatubag na.
Yeah.
pagka,
It's not everyone to see for everyone.
Charis.
pero babaeng bakla talaga siya.
But she can be.
I'm so sorry for being so noisy.
Ano ba, maingay ba si Shen Lord?
I'm
Let us
cooking.
know in the comment section.
No, because I'm cooking what Jas wants.
Oo.
Okay, would you rather, ride a plane? Ay, or sa boat?
So, going to Dumaguete?
Going to, saan ba tayo
Girl, 2
punta?
day, ay 1 day na siguro.
Hindi, baka in general lang.
Bakit may dalang payong si Kuya?
That's a
This is the microphone.
The
guys.
microphone niya yan, guys. Tapos ito yung microphone
yes, meron
ko.
din siya. That's why you can hear us clearly, di ba? Thanks to these microphones here.
Thank you for sponsoring the yellow umbrella that we have.
Do not open my brand yan.
Oh, if you know Yellow Umbrella,
How I Met Your Mother!
di ba? Basta akong kamotor.
Yellow umbrella ako, pero cute yung blue French horn.
So,
Pero I didn't like the ending.
Yeah.
I wanted it to end with the yellow umbrella. But the build-up kasi is for Robin eh. Kaya
Okay.
dapat ni Robin na lang nila.
Dali na, after all those years.
Yeah.
diba? Shout out sa mga Yellow Umbrellas dyan.
Okay. Ano na ba yung question? I'd prefer plane kasi mas mabilis.
Plain one.
Plane. Airplane.
Ice cream ba?
Okay, yeah. Oh, mas mabilis yung plane. Pero you know what? Maganda din yung scenery sa barko, pero okay na din.
Yeah, actually. Pero maganda din scenery.
Oo.
Either way, saan ba ako punta? Depende kasi kung saan ako pupunta eh.
Or depende kung saan siya nakaupo. Kung sa aisle siya na seat, hindi niya makita yung view, di ba?
Just yung kasama mo nagpasalon. Yung ano,
Si Arman sa Pwede ba? Saan na? Yung sabi niya na, ay, okay. Yung sabi niya, just go.
Lahat naman yun na ex-housemates eh. Majority of us nagpasalon yung time na yun. Friday or Saturday, depending on our schedule. Which do you prefer being part of? Movie or hostings? Both. I would want to act, but I also would want to become a host someday. Pero
Yeah.
definitely act.
ano na, just may lahi ka. Minsan Shih Tzu.
Minsan
Diba?
po
Tingnan
goso.
niyo. So, how do you stay on bothered with bashers? Guys, sila friends ko.
Bashers.
Joke lang.
I mean,
Girl.
you know what?
Your friends are your bashers. So
Bucket list
I mean-
ko na gusto kong ma-tick off talaga din is
Wala
to
kami
learn a
bucket
different wala kami bucket list. Gusto ko mag-learn ng different language. Ito si ate girl, nagsasabing, mas tumanda daw ako sa hair color ko. Okay lang.
I love you. What's your name?
Thank you. I don't know her name.
Kami yung unang bashers ni Jazz, nasabihan siya namin na, uy, pangit yung ganito mo, uy, pangit yung suot mong ganito.
This is not your color.
Yeah, not your color.
So, maghanap kayo ng true friends na magsasabi sa inyo ng ganyan.
Yeah, and I only take their advices and whatever they're saying. Other people, parang...
Just nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, the constructive criticisms, definitely, I'll take that. Pero when it's
What not?
out of something,
Yeah.
Ate Jazz, can you share? Yun lang.
ano i-share ko?
session.
Anong gusto niyong i-share
Para
ko?
blessings,
Yung ginagawa.
prayer.
Baka gusto nyo ng art din.
Nag-live din daw si Binsoy.
Ano nga si Binsoy?
Asa na siya?
Guys, I'm 24, turning 25.
Oh.
I think it's bound for me to look...
Uy, wait lang. May nagsabi di ako papasok sa work pag di mo ako pinansin.
Huy!
Pati na.
Huy, ano sasabihin mo sa boss mo? Anong ano niya?
Bayot late na ka.
Ba, may work ka ngayon? Wala na, late ka na.
Shout out Ram.
Sino yung stylist? Ginawa namin yung hair sa Pep Silver's Free Salon. Yes, si Mommy Peps. Siya yung gumawa ng hair.
Ako naman parang wala lang to.
Oo, ikaw saan ba?
Just got out of bed lang.
Oo, ganun lang. Ganda raw. What's something that always makes you smile? Guys, mabilis lang akong mag-smile or
Mapangiti,
tumawa.
yeah.
Oo. That's really something na kahit nung first time we met, ang dami na saming gulat sila. Kasi bakit? Ang babaw, ang babaw lang ng kaligayahan ko.
Eh, ang pretty niya, I mean, before, at now pa rin, di ba? Tapos, di ba, kasi unusual yun for me na mga girls like that, na parang ang babaw, ang
Babaw ng kaligayahan.
ang dali ka usap. So, it felt so easy with her.
Ay, invitation off si Binsoy. Hindi siya ma-invite.
What's your favorite
Yeah.
comment?
Compliment.
Compliment. Ang hirap nun kapag comment.
Compliment is, ano,
They'd be like, akala ko ba matalino sila?
Siya lang po. Ang matalino. Compliment, yeah. At
favorite,
to give and to receive.
Ano? Ang favorite flavor mo sa chicken wings?
Yeah.
ang favorite flavor ko sa chicken wings? Sa Tiger Wings po, yung Tiger Wings.
May
Ang sarap.
may experience kami ni Jazz before in college na sabi niya, guys, I'm so hungry, let's eat, I really wanna eat, I'm so hungry, ganyan. Tapos nung nag-unli wings kami, kumain siya ng dalawa, tapos busog na siya.
Oh my god, I'm eating like such a pig. I'm so full. Whoa, girl.
Anyway, yun. Yun yung before. But then anyway, ano yung question kaya? What's your favorite compliment?
To receive and to give.
Favorite comment?
To receive, it's always, ano,
Nice question. So, no?
parang, you're smart. You're very intellectual.
Yeah,
or
that's a
you're
good,
classy. May mga
compliment to
ganun.
receive.
Kasi parang, it's easy to say na you're so beautiful. Pero, like, you're classy, you're ganon. Parang,
Observable indirectly.
parang kasing it's more of, you already know me in a certain level. So parang,
Pero
that
with
means
intelligence,
yeah,
kailangan...
it's like you really listened to me. So parang,
So that's to receive. How about to give?
to give, I give any compliment na people deserve.
Yeah. So what's the compliment that I deserve?
You deserve to sleep.
Actually, yeah.
Pagod ka, no? You're very smart.
Hello?
May totoo din.
Charis.
Therapist.
Thank you, Jazz. Jazz.
Ang dami, hindi for here.
Hindi
yung
for
compliment
here,
ko sa'yo. Gusto mo umiyak?
Ay,
No?
hindi. Gusto kong ma-review. Follow niyo ako sa
Sige, plug mo yung mo. Plug. Sige.
Sa TikTok. Oo. Pero naka-private ako so i-accept ko lang yung gusto ko. Tignan natin.
Invitation off siya. Okay, what's your favorite way to relax and unwind after a busy day?
Ooh.
Ay,
Was detected inactivity during your current life.
bakit
Di
ba
kami
may-
inactive. No?
Dami yung sinasabi. What they...
Nag-jumping jacks. Para active ka. Gabi.
Grabe, pasabog. Teka lang. Ano na?
Yun, to
Unwind,
relax,
to relax. I watch a movie or rom-com or I watch Friends.
What's your favorite? Oh, Friends. Bago lang nila tinanggal yun.
Wala na sa Netflix?
Pero meron pa din mga ibang ano.
Crazy!
Kasi they were hinting before pa na itatakpan. Pero bago lang.
No, that's my comfort. Like when I'm just sad, I open the episode wherein
Ano favorite si ano? Go.
the wedding of Chandler and
Monica.
But then also the wedding of Ross and Emily.
Huh?
I take
Sa
the
London?
Emily. Yeah.
Take the Rachel.
Take the Rachel and the wedding Phoebe and Mike.
Phoebe!
That's my favorite wedding of all.
Aww. Shout out sa mga friends namin.
Magna cum laude. Ang init.
RIP also Chandler.
Yeah, oh my gosh, grabe yun.
Ano, kaya parang na-hear.
Ay! Ako rin.
Okay, more questions. Wait, ang bilis kasi ng questions dito, kaya doon kami sa... Wait there.
Hi, Jassy. Ay, dito pala si Nurse Ellie. Hi,
Hello,
Ellie.
Ellie.
Hi, Ellie.
Hello. What does love mean? Ang deep! What
Diba?
does love mean to you and how do you express it in your daily life? Wow. Love is such a beautiful yet dangerous thing. Amen. Love is, for me talaga, love is universal and love is a feeling na mabibigay mo siya sa lahat depending on the leveling din naman. There's platonic, there's romantic, there's ganon, family, and everything. Yeah, pero naninibabaw sa akin yung respect and loyalty. I will always say that. So pag ranking ko, it's loyalty, respect, and then love.
I feel like love...
Oh, sorry, respect, loyalty. Because when the person respects me, automatic maging loyal talaga siya to me. And then there's love na. Because, yeah.
I feel like love is a lifestyle.
And this.
Like, it's something that... When you have love as your life core, everything springs from it.
Yeah. Like, when you look at the brighter side of things, when you stay positive despite everything, and then when you're surrounded also with positive and loving, human beings or individual, it's automatic na parang okay, nahahawa ka. So, you also have to check the circle that you're in. If tama pa ba to, learn when to walk away. Ito talaga, that's really hard.
From love?
In general. It may be work, it may be love. Learn when to walk away talaga. And then, ano yung isang question?
It's not a question. What's one thing you wish you knew when you were younger? Nasisikat yung mo, yung indie film.
Oh my gosh!
She has her
Tama!
indie
Yeah, yung
film?
babaylan.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I was 6 years old, 7 years old.
Girl, where can we watch that?
It's on
It's
YouTube.
on YouTube.
Fake friend.
I tweeted it before. When Jasmine was in the house, tinweet ko yun. Sabi ko, kung mahahanap nyo, ganyan-ganyan.
Saan? Sa cinema?
No. And then, hindi ko alam kung mahahanap nila. Tapos nahanap nila.
Ako, meron din akong indie film. So, hanapin nyo rin.
What's your favorite place in Dumaguete?
Ooh.
Ano yan? Favorite?
In terms of what? My friend's house. Isla's house. Mary's house. Japana's house. My friend's house. Siliman. I'm always in school.
Sa Sa Scanio. Like,
Ano yung Espanol ride?
After school.
so, in Dumaguete, may food strip kami na parang siyang imagine dito sa Manila, parang siyang Rojas Boulevard, pero may mga food places.
Maganda yung tubig.
Yeah.
LU or Siargao? Siargao. My favorite talaga, Siargao.
Gusto ko to si Ma'am.
Yeah, natin ako sigar pa muli ko po. Huwag na kayo oras.
Let's go!
Good luck, mga butters.
April!
How did you learn how to better your Tagalog?
Oh, I talk to Grab drivers.
Wow.
Yeah. Kasi I went here 2022. Guys, we're Bisaya. We studied pa sa Silliman. So ako, I studied in Silliman ever since I was a kid. Like 3 years old. My dad's British. So, we speak English talaga. And then Bisaya. So, sa school, ganun din. Bawal kami mag-Bisaya nga or hindi naman masyado Tagalog. We only have Filipino subject. So, we can only speak Tagalog during that time.
Yeah.
So, yun lang. But the rest, English kami dapat. May mga ano nga, if you're not gonna speak English, itatali yan. Ako, president ako, nagtatali. Yeah. So, yun. Anyway, the question is... So, yun. Nung nag-senior high ako, I only had one Filipino subject and nag-college ako, one lang din Filipino subject. Yung teacher ko nung college na yun, teacher ko sa high school, alam niya na medyo hirap ako mag-Tagalog. So, pag oral recitation, sometimes pinapayagan niya akong mix na Taglish. Pero pag write-up, dapat Filipino talaga. Yeah, for a phase, kasi nag-transition ako. Anyway, so when I moved here 2022, yun, like, kinakausap ko yung mga Grab drivers. Tapos may mga times man na tinatawanan nila ako kasi
Yung accent.
ko daw, ang iba, ganun. Pero sabi ko, okay lang kuya, kasi gusto ko, sa conversation kasi talaga matututo.
Yeah.
And then after that, I worked sa Tayo Awards Foundation. It's an NGO. And then, ang dami kasing different organizations doon coming from Luzon, Mindanao, and Visayas. Then I did interviews. I interviewed mga beneficiaries, yung mga beneficiaries ng different programs nila, different advocacies or movement that they fight for. So, syempre, kailangan mag-Tagalog. So, I learned through that. And then when I worked na also sa Mega. So, conversations lang talaga, I picked up from that. And then, yun na. That's how I learned. Diba? Yun yung questions ang dami kong sinasabi.
Sis, malaki yung responsibilidad mo. Ayusin mo.
Hala, Jess, I need your help to name my baby. Tyrone or Tyler or anything that starts with letter T. Actually, initials are I and T. Oh my gosh, grabe yung responsibility. But I think...
Sige, good luck ha.
Good luck.
Uy, seryoso to, Liana Butterfly?
Oo.
Uy, baka ayaw ng anak mo, tapos sabihin in the long run. Sige guys, comment din kayo. Ano bang gusto nyo? May sabi, TM po.
TM, TI.
T or I. But
Tyrone.
T. Tyrone is nice.
Tyler.
Pili na lang kayo sa Tyrone or Tyler.
Tyler. What do you think? Mas maganda para sa'yo?
Tyrone is unique, but I like Tyler.
Cute ang Tyler.
Tyler.
Yeah. Liana sana.
Hi, my name is Tyrone. Hi, my name is Tasha. I'm Unico. Hindi alam.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
Alam.
Backyard.
Backyard.
Tyrone kasi para siyang Toblerone. Diba?
I think Tyler is nice.
But actually, Tyler...
Ooh,
or-
Isaac Tyler.
Isaac.
Liana Butterfly, Isaac Tyler.
Yeah. Sana makita mo tong live.
Sana makita mo to. Isaac Tyler.
So nag-reply
Oh,
si Jazz.
nawala.
But Tyrone or Tyler or Tyrone is nice na.
Or anything.
It's a good name.
Tyler. Tanmar. Ay. Sorry.
Tiger.
Oh, Tiger's cute pang ano.
Actually, meron akong kilala na Tiger yung name niya. Shout out, Tiger.
Tyler. Isaac Tyler. Grabe yung responsibility, nakaka-pressure. Wala akong specific favorite na perfume na brand. But it's anything na parang... it's anything na parang vanilla-y na not super like flowery.
That is it. Yeah.
But Jasmine is more, what do you call this? She's more like sweet on the sweet side rather than the
Strong side.
No, the flowery.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sweet side, how do you differentiate the two?
Kasi pag flowery, it's more, flower-oriented. Like, it smells
like lilies or lavender gano'n.
Jasmine smells like candy.
So, Manila.
Not so much candies, kasi ayoko din yung parang kakagatin
So
ako
sweet.
ng ano.
Langgam.
Pag nakita nyo na lang ako guys, sabihin yung ano tawag dito?
Perfume.
Pa-invite daw si Binsor.
Jasmine.
Pwede na ma-invite si Binsor.
Ninang ka daw.
Nina ako sa kasal? Ay, sa baby. Si Isaac Tyler. Saan po to?
Kind of knock or wala?
Sana malapit lang.
Binsor!
Hi, Soy!
Ay, we can hear you.
Yung na-dote niyo mo.
Ay ka na.
Ano? Asa ka?
Jimmy tagdungog soy.
Padungog na may mong plato.
Agaw-aga, nagplato si Binsor. Sige.
Hi, Binsoy and Epoy.
Yeah, a fruity side or sweet side. Mas sa sweet side ako.
Soy, may diri ka manghugas, Soy.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? Oh, I wanna fly. I wanna travel it.
Ako read.
I don't want that. Nakakatakot. I don't wanna read people's mind. Something as hard as this. Ikaw, Soy, na kay superpower, Soy, yung siyang ganahan.
Dali siya mga.
Ako apas pa sa mga gusto.
Pas manghugas ng plato?
Dali lang.
Ano nagiging ibang piyaya?
Magkagulot lang.
Gulong-gulo po kami sa piyaya ngayon.
Soy, namin piyaya, Soy. Basta kaya kamaan eh.
Possible to join ako ng pageant. I'm not closing my doors pero parang hindi pa sa priority din ngayon. What's your go-to feel-good song that always lifts your mood? Any BTS song? Or mga 2000 na songs, like the early ones.
She saw it.
Oh, Liana, thank you! Isaac Tyler. Song is nice also, pero mas
Sa next na lang nasa.
sa next anak mo, Tyrone.
Anak.
Sa next anak mo. Actually, may ganun din ako. If I'm gonna have a kid someday, I wanted to start with letter K.
Why?
To my dad.
Yeah,
K kasi yung dad.
What's up, mga K?
Shoutout sa lahat ng K out there.
Ano yun siya?
Na-assist ko doon.
Isa mo?
Sorry guys. Sira na kasi mata ko. Sumasakit ng ulo ko kanina. So, kinuha ko. Same kami ng break. Tapos kukuha na ako ng eyeglasses.
Naman sa mo to?
Wala, kakaon na soy, nag-live.
Sana all. Pero kumain ka to eh. Sana all.
Ano soy?
Ito kami.
Wala.
Kasi balik ko dito.
Balot soy.
So, ay, mamalot ang flow.
Pwede di ba naibalat sa lalim? Balot niya ah.
Naibalot, dali.
Balik balay.
Ano masasabi mo sa aerial banner ng Just D? Grabe, pasabog kayo.
Boom. Nakita ko yun ah.
Grabe. Sobrang hindi ko alam anong i-react. If totoo ba yung nangyari na may aerial banner.
But it's also cute. Like very cute. Sabog talaga.
Grabe. Lahat ng initiatives talaga ng lalo na lahat ng ships coming out from TV. Grabe kayo. Like, you're very creative. Pwede na kayong mag-work sa sa advertising industry.
Just paano kung ikaw yung pinalupad? Pinalipad.
Ano kung kamo na lang duwag ibitay dito, ipalupad.
Oo, maganon kami doon.
Ate Jacqueline, ikaw ginilay ko.
Maganon ako doon. Ako na lang pinalipad.
Oo nga.
Why not? Sabi ko, I'm not, baka gawin, takot ako.
Not the fear doors.
O naka-sky. Naibalot na.
Balot, Alisoy. Guys, convince na si Binsoy pumunta dito. Kanina pa yan nagsasabi na wala siyang ginagawa, bored siya, pero hindi rin siya pumupunta dito. Anak daw ng, Blake, baby boy daw. Nag-ask ka din ba? Kung B or nag-share? Guys, binigyan niyo naman ako ng responsibilidad para sa anak niyo. Baka pagalitan ako ng anak niyo.
Hindi comment. Ano lang sa matulog ba? Matuloy mo ipi yung mata.
Kung saan ka puntahan natin?
Gipangalan ko, anak kanina.
Gusto ko siyang pangalan sa anak.
Magandang gabi po, everyone.
Isuda po dano eh. O sa inland ka, pangita po da. Pero ang pasang
Kasi sarap niyong pakinggan. Oh, pero konti na lang, papalabasin na kami ng kondo. Ang ingay na namin dito.
Ate Kay. Thank you, Ate Kay.
If possible, pwede ba kayo magka-love dream?
Sorry.
Shem.
Hello. Mga tagbalot. Tala.
Ano lagi mo pakita?
Ay, chismoso kayo, Sensoy.
Kapag kita na ko.
Para siya.
Hello.
Oh.
Alay na, Soy.
Pagdi lagi na ikaw, Shem.
Ha? Pare, nalay filter. Ako na ko.
Kabalo na ko, oy.
Ba?
Hello po.
Ay, Sensoy, yun sa mga favorite na number sa electric fan?
Number 1.
Bakit number 1?
Number 1.
You're the only one.
Oh.
Aba,
Bantay mo
Good.
tagigamon ka.
Bakit hindi ta? May nagsab. Do you have insecurities? Feeling ko at this point na I'm 24, I don't anymore. Like, I am happy with who I am. I know myself. I mean, I'm still getting to know myself even more kasi every day I'm growing. I'm changing. I'm adopting to the environment that I'm in also. Pero wala.
And
I don't have
insecurities doesn't necessarily have to be with like another person. It can be like insecurities sa sarili mo. Past flow can be insecurities to like your whole situation. Ang daming forms of
financially,
insecurities.
yeah. It's not just towards another person or physical attributes. But siguro nasa point na ako na. If we're talking about physical attributes also. Na 24 na ako, guys. Hindi naman ako...
Just nakatry ng peanut kisses.
Yes, favorite ko peanut pieces.
Lahat na lang favorite niya, guys.
Oo, lahat. Ang dali ko lang
Ano?
pasayahin.
Piyaya.
Piyaya din.
aba, ayun.
Jasmine Soy. Love or career daw. Ikaw, Soy.
Pero, sa ngayon, ano? Pwede man sabay ang buhabod. Pwede man po sabay nito. Love sa akin.
Sasabayin ni Binsoy. Love and career. Pasama ka, Binsoy.
Kasi guys, career kay Jasmine.
Ikaw may jowa ka, may career.
Ikaw.
Okay.
Career ka. Kasi kung mag-love siya over kayo, sasakalin ko siya namin.
Dami ko ng pinagdaanan.
Dami yung pinagdaanan sa love. So, career na muna. Hindi. Kasi what's your pet peeve? Dog daw po.
Yung ihi nga, ihi sa toilet seat. Tapos when someone like lies down sa bed tapos naka-outside clothes ka.
That's the worst. So, yun sa daw yung gikaunsoy.
Yeah.
Unsa na?
Basta. Pamilya. Bawal man sulti yun. Sunod na kung kaon ako nila model.
Hi, Tita Joy! I miss you, Tita Joy.
Ano ba?
Sabi mo kay Tita Joy, visit ko siya. Cool. Anyway, sige. What is your biggest hope for the future, both personally and globally?
Wow.
Whoa!
Personally, for me, is genuine happiness talaga. Because I can have all the things that I wish.
But like,
pero
how
I-
does genuine happiness look like?
Wow, for me. Very deep.
No, when you say
Yeah,
Genuine
get
happiness. But how does that look like?
for me, like the definition for me of genuine
How does
happiness.
that look like? Like waking up at 7 a.m. every day, having food to eat. Like, what does that look like?
Siguro, for future, kasi sabi niya personally, siguro for me, when everything settled down financially for me, and then I'll have my family someday. Kasi guys, I'm 24, turning 25. Feeling ko in the next, mas malapit na ako to that side rather than my teenage years. So
Malapit
parang
na ba?
ikaw Soy, personally, what is, pero of course right now, I'm focusing on career. I'm not thinking of anything of that yet. I'm focusing on career, so siguro makukuha ko yung, yun, if I get work, if I get to act, if I get to host, yung mga the dreams that I aspire for myself. Yun, personally. Yun lang naman eh. How about you, Binsoy?
Ano question?
What is your biggest hope for yourself in the future? Hope. Kita din si Hope.
Sino ka ba, Hope?
Anong gusto mo sa sarili mo, Binsoy?
Successful Sunday. Maging successful Sunday. Matulungan yung mga, mga tao surroundings ko. The people.
Maging award-winning actress. Si Binsoy, award-winning actor. Ay, daw na siya, all around kasi doon.
Multimedia star.
Ganon. Globally, for people to be politically aware. That is my biggest hope for the future. People should be politically aware in so many things, so many aspects. And yun, kasi we're also going to be teaching the younger generations. So, do we want the younger generation to live in a world wherein ang daming, they're apolitical, they're apathetic, or there's so many, violence happening?
And also, like,
misinformation.
ngayon, ang trend ng world ngayon is a lot of leaders are elected na hindi sila yung best choice.
Yeah.
Like, it's not, like, ang daming countries in the world na maraming qualified and then but they choose not the best candidate. So it's a trend sa buong mundo.
Tignan natin.
May nag-comment, hindi siya namamansin, nakakainis. Guys, as in, like, ganito lang yung nakikita namin, kasi ang bilis nyo.
Wala kami.
Marian, she's here.
Hi, Mariam Ferry. Nag-live ako. This is Mariam Ferry.
Okay, wrap up po tayo kasi overtime na po. Kakain pa po kami. Last round of questions sa X.
Peter.
Last round of questions.
What are you willing to sacrifice to achieve your goals?
Go for it.
What are you willing to sacrifice to...
Ako, ang sasabihin ko lang is I'm willing to sacrifice so many things. But it depends. But then I've sacrificed so many things already in the past. Ikaw, Soy, what are you willing to sacrifice? And I think my friends are like, know that.
I think comfort. You're willing to sacrifice comfort.
Number one.
My only,
Yeah.
like, for
Sige.
me, I'm willing to sacrifice time. Time.
Okay, ikaw, Soy, what are you willing to sacrifice, Soy, to achieve your goals?
Ako wala.
Soy, layo ra gamay sa mic, Soy, kay kulang na lang din ka na mamadungan.
Ang hirap naman ng tanong niyo.
Ay, ano na lang, sige, Soy,
Gusto mo bang...
pula or puti?
Puti.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Tapos,
Ay, wala pa rin talaga nila, Soy.
Balot or Penoy? Balot.
Balot diri or balot dito sa
Actually, saan yung gata?
inyo, ha?
ito na yung kinaibahan sa balot dito.
Hindi ay nailahin tilaw. Ikaw ba yung nakatilaw?
May avocado flavor, Andrea, ding to ama.
Balot sa Mandaluyong or balot sa Kingston?
Ito, pumunta natin.
Anyway, yun lang guys.
Sige, mag-shoutout sa lang ka, Joss.
Sige, mag-shoutout na lang.
Magpa-shoutout na lang kayo para pansinin kayo.
Para sa Dapana. Nilagay mo man agad. Good job, shop.
Hi, Job! Guys, say hi to my my mga sisters. Say hi to Jofana, to Ayla, to Trixia, to Franzil, to Mary Rose. Nako, kay Laog, pag may kulang, magtampo. Ulit. Franzil. Jofana, Ayla, Mary Rose, Trixia, Kyla, Franzil. Ako pang 7. Jazz. Shoutout sa my sisters who are in Dumaguete.
Yung ngayon.
Kaninong birthday?
Birthday mo?
Wala na. Birthday mo? Birthday ko! Birthday mo? Birthday mo nga. Wala na ga. Birthday mo. Anong Nix? Paano po basahin yung... Pwede po mapa-shoutout kayo. Lagay nyo na lang yung name nyo. Kasi sometimes nahihirapan ako mag-shoutout.
Kevin sa'yo pag ilong
Yours Cakes. Hello po. Hello, shoutout po Secret. Shoutout Miss Ria from Hong Kong. Shoutout po Rosel. Shoutout Edith. Wala, same kayo ng name ng ano po. Hi Ashley. Nawala yung family name. Hi po Ma'am Clarice. Hi Miss, ang bilis. Hi Miss Melrose. Hello po Miss Niza. Hello Katie. Oh, Katie's a nice. Ay, Katie ba yun? Hi Aliyah. Hi Lala Alvarez. Hi Audrey. Shout out to you. Hi Real. Hi Zoe and Meds. Oh, ang bilis. Hi Jorem. Hi Melrose. Hi Burley Kim. Hi Aya Faith. Hi Mian. Hi Ermoni.
I am.
Hi Mitch Hertz. Hi M. Hi Shy Love. Hi Fionzi. Hi Yona. Ang bilis eh. Kaya kailangan ko na. Hi Mango. Hi Fionzi. Hi. Yeah, 50-50. Yeah, I can see clearly. Ano lang kasi motism. Hi Dave Anindeza. Hi Jonna. Hi Jessa. Hi Pinky. Hi Aliyah Romero. Hi Skibidi. Hi Miss Cherry. Hi John Rick Jimenez. Hi Charles. Hello po. Hello sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for the love. Shoutout po sa Eureka. Hi po Miles. Hi Shay. Hi Ashley Munlawin. Hi Yen Weng. Hi Edith. Shoutout to you. Simple ng pangalan ni Miss Edith yung ano ko po. Hi Miss Jane. Hi po Belle. Hi Ashley. Hi Antonia. Hi John Turfines. Hi Joyce De La Cruz. Hi Nacho Army. Hi Elonga Shai. Woo! Hi Joylene. Hi Ericana. Hi Mika. Let's go. Hi Shy Pretty, Mary Leon or Mary Lane. What's up? Hi Jessie. Hello po. Shout out to you. Yes, the baddie Catherine. Hello. Alma Manlangit. Hi May. Woo! Hi Smiling. Hey Pretty Jai. Hi Abby. Grabe pasabag. Hi Wenwen. Hi Edwin. Hi Keish. Hi Panaligan Marife.
Hi Benzoy.
Hi Binsoy. Hi Tita Joy. Hi Binsoy. Hi Tita Joy. Hi Job. Hi Job. Hi Iska. Hi Mim. Hi. Si John. Hoy, si John. Ano ka niya? John. John Cabales.
Hi, John.
Hi, girl.
Hi Jen. Hi Mick. Hi Rosemary. Hi Yona. Hi Nori Jane.
Ryan, ang tawag mo ba?
Hi Julia. Hi Dandelion. Oh,
Dandelion yung name.
I love that song.
Hi, Jess.
Hi po, Jem. Happy birthday po. Hi, Kim. Hi, Kay. Hi, Leon. Hi, Jonna. Hi, Florence. Uli nagdawin. Politikong tikat pa. Hi,
Mika Lim?
Amethyst.
Kita ka? Mika Lim.
Hi, Mika. Hi, Mika Lim.
Simret, Mika Lim. Bini Mika Lim.
Hi, Mary Rose. Hi, Rian. Mamamatay ako pag si Benny Mika yung andyan.
Oy, grabe. We met Benny Mika Lim. Oo. Yun lang. Share ko lang.
You met?
Kami na chi. Dito na pizza.
Oy, tama. I met them before.
Pero, ikaw, Jude, na friendship si Buster.
Oh my gosh, I'll take this time to, guys, please stop throwing hate, throwing negative things, or making up stories for Beanie Joanna. It's been crazy. We're all friends. Jaren and JP, we just found out lately na they're cousins pala. Nung nag-meet na finally si Tito Bort, the dad of Jaren, and si JP. Na-trace nila, and then cousin si Jaren and si JP. So they just found out lately. So everyone, family, friends, and then so guys, please stop it. Like, you're dragging another person's name, and it's unhealthy already. Please, let's stop. I just wanna say it na wag. Kasi it's bothering and it's not good also. Wala namang nangyayari. Nakakasira kayo ng friendship. So yun. Ano yun? Just wanna,
Happy lang.
happy lang. Kalma lang.
GV.
People can't be friends ba? No, like this day?
Kumain lang kayo ng balot.
Oo. Kumain lang kayo ng balot.
High blood din.
Si Sham nagluluto po.
Wait. Out of who?
Ano, sabi nilang, hi, shoutout Sham. Shoutout po sa'yo, Lovely. Hi, Flowery. Hi, Carol. Anyway, so yun lang. I hope na let's all be mindful in everything that we say and everything that we comment down. If you don't have any good to say, just keep it to yourself. Just write it down. If you want, write it on a paper and then burn it or something or throw it away.
Talk to your therapist.
Or like, kalma lang tayo, guys. There's nothing good. Like, learn from my mistakes. Learn from everyone's mistakes. Don't do it. Like, you know? So, parang yun lang.
Just pagdako.
Hello, Tagduntigaw. Hi po, Era May. Shoutout Angelica Baguan. Baguan? Anyway, so yun lang po. I just wanted to say that. I just wanted to put it out there because I also get bothered pag nababash na yung ano. So lahat, like,
Thanks for
stop.
calling that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just stop. Kasi ang hirap. It's kahit, you know, it's bothering. Like,
We're also human beings. We also see mistakes.
yes, we're all human beings, guys. We all have feelings. Sadyang naging
Nakikita rin nila yun.
public yan. Nakikita, like, let us feel like we're human beings also.
Allow.
Allow us pala. Allow us to be human beings. Right, Soy?
Tapos, huwag kayong mang bash, guys. Lalo't din naman kilala yung isang tao. Paminsan-minsan, yung mga tao kasing, yung mga taong walang alam, sila pa yung maraming nasasabi. Kami nga, may mga alam kami, pero wala kaming sinasabing masama sa mga kasama namin. Kilala namin yung isa't isa. Kaya, don't spread hate. Spread macaroni spaghetti.
Yeah, yun lang. Everyone naman has something, you know, negative about, but we're all working about it. We're all growing. So, let them be. And you have to understand also the situation. Yun lang. Grabe, like, spread love. Kasi,
Marami na problema sa world ngayon.
ang dami na problema sa world, guys.
Huwag na tayong
Hindi na tayo
dumag-
magdagdag.
Yeah.
Ang dami ng more pressing issues sa world. But hindi natin pinapansin yung mga ganon.
So instead, let's just love each other.
Let's love, uplift. Uplift each other. Uplift whoever you support by not dragging one name down or any name down, any ship down. Ganun lang. Kasi we're all here to support naman, and at the end of the day, yun lang naman. Yung importante sa atin.
Shout out kay Japan.
Shoutout to you,
Nag-chat
Ice.
pala
I love
talaga.
you, Ice.
Nag-chat pala siya. Nagpasyalat kong right.
Shout out.
Sorry.
Hi, Ice. I miss you. I can't wait to see you.
Siya ay Ma'am Jazz, ang hindi sa Kangsdaro. Sabi kasi Civic.
Kangsdaro mo ka sa taas.
Huh?
Sa Kangsdaro.
Ako ipagkauna.
Ay, katuning doon sa langit.
Yeah. Ay, dili. Lito.
Saan na?
Kangsdaro. Kapag kapag ako mga flyer.
Oo, mag-print out flyers.
Posters.
Or kung yung sir, nakapag-elvis mo.
Yeah, let's just spread love. Kanina pa may nag-comment. Kanina pa nag-comment. Salamat. Spread love. I'm sorry, love. Let's spread love, not hate. Guys, may ano talaga yung eyes ko. So I have astigmatism and then hindi na ako 2020 vision.
2024 na siya.
2025. Guys, do you think the frame looks good on her? Because we're talking about getting glasses for her. So do you think it looks good? Any
Maganda ba
suggestions?
siya?
Kasi nasira yung ano ko, yung eyeglasses ko before entering sa bahay ni Kuya. So hindi ko siya nadala. And then now that I'm out, parang mas lumala na yung eyesight ko. And same kami ng grade ni Ryan. Rep, astigmatism and 50.
Okay na daw, ano si Mark?
Word na daw kasoy. O kaya sabi namin kay Vincent, punta dito. Ayaw niya
May
daw pumunta
pagkain.
dito. Ali, so na pagkaon, makabot pa ka. Ali, danay balot. Sa balot talaga na ano si Vincent.
Can you shout out to Ella?
Shout out to you, Ella.
Ella.
Shout out Ella. Jasmine Ravan. Ano to yun? Jasmine Ravante? Diba? Kanina ko mas sinasabi mo na ako. Wala kasing question. Si Vincent, magla-live ka pa, Suy.
Course nila live, karoon ako mag-course na live ko.
Okay, John. Hi, John Derek. Shout out to you. Hi, Rachel Cassin. Shout Ate Jazz, namamansin ka ba? Yes, Z. Z with a heart? Yun lang guys. Sana may na ano kayo. Mag-end na po ako ng live. Thank you so much for all the questions. May iba akong questions na screenshot ko lang and then siguro pag mag-vlog na ako, I'll answer that because I think it deserves
One episode.
one episode. But yes, thank you so much, Soy. You know where we are?
Nice meeting you, Binsoy.
Ay, hindi pa rin. Ay, hindi pa.
Epoy pala.
F-boy, pero F-zoa.
Yes. And Marian. Birthday mo?
Birthday mo? Birthday,
Nawala
birthday.
na. Ayun.
Sino ba? Maybe, maybe, happy birthday, maybe. M-A-B-Y, exclamation point. Happy birthday. Isang good luck para sa math. Ay, sino yun? Sino to? Classmate ka na ako.
Si Joshua?
Si Joshua.
Joshua Brian. O classmate yun mong Jasmine, unsa na section?
O, isa nga subject.
Sa section, asa nga classroom.
O, isa nga
Ethno?
classroom.
Ethnopolitical classroom.
Ate Jassy, di ka namamansin. Gwen, namamansin po ako.
Hi, Twinnie!
Hindi yan si Gwenchana.
Hi. Ibang Gwen pala. Hi, Gwen.
Pala, other John. John Derek.
Hi, John Derek. Shout out to you. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, Yu. Oo, punta daw tayo dyan sa Soy. Sige, sample. Sample daw, Soy. Sayaw. Sayawan mo muna. User 489182004. Exam mo bukas. Good luck po. To user 489182004. Exam niya daw bukas. Good luck sa'yo.
Vice na yun.
Uy, Renz, ma-sure.
Hala,
Birthday ko today na. Punta ka ka-uwi, Renz. Hindi.
Ayaw mo tuwanan ni Renz.
Hi, Pauline. Happy birthday, Pauline. Enjoy your day. Hala, napansin. Oh, wala. Shout out Maricar Yuson. Sometimes, good luck, Jana Payumos. Sa exam mo bukas. Bukas ba? Or sa lahat ng exam na mangyayari sa buhay mo?
Hala, good luck, Andrea Gale.
Andrea Gale, good luck.
Our future RN.
Good luck or
Bago siya naman karoon.
Congrats.
congrats kasi tapos
Congrats
na.
already.
All the
I love you,
RNs.
Jay.
Sa
All
lahat
the
ng mga
RNs.
RNs, ang future RNs na nag-take. Congrats everybody, you did great.
Congrats. Congrats.
Nagawa sa mga birthday.
Tagda ko just Nizel Suson, gitagat ikaw, Cherilyn Cabrera, magstorya ko Bisaya. Unsa may maganahan nga mabalaan nga magbisaya nga mula ka na makoron taon-taon.
Ano mo daw? Si Griffin.
Hoy, Griffin! MC Griffin. Just
Griffin,
check
nasa
out
Maka na
ako.
makadiri,
Check
di
out
ba?
ka.
Dili, wala siya doon.
Ay, nasa gawa?
Ses, pagod ka na mag-type. Huwag naman sana. Happy birthday, Malu. Shoutout Nabi. Shoutout Cutie Pie. Classmate ka, GE14 Statistic.
Pak. Tinumdum ka na.
Sige siya kalit do. Sige siya kalit.
Statistics?
May grade niyo mo. Pero score mo.
Oh my gosh, yes! Joshua Brian, dili ka pipa ko.
Di sa tigpakopya. Di man po na sa mo cheat. Maglagot na.
Oo, kailan ko ni mo dun sa bayan, katundong pa ni mo. Hello. Statistics, tama. Uy, excuse me.
Perfect. Diba?
Happy birthday, Rachel Casin.
Hindi magpakopya di ay.
Ay, dili ko tipakopya sa unasan.
Ito po yung ako-copy-paste. Hindi ko malagyan. Isa na.
Ay, Griffin. Shoutout Villagra. Hi, Tanya. Shoutout. May ang ganda ng name na Tanya. Kuya Binsoy, shoutout ka daw. Sorry, hindi ko nakita. Kuya Morgan ba shoutout?
I-release na po yung
Ang ID picture.
Si Griffin, ayan.
Just tagdas ako taga Siargao ko. Imo kong suruyon diha. Okay, jacket bagay daw. Asa sis? Speaking of jacket, asa si jacket?
Natulog siya all day.
Alexander.
Jackson, saan pagpasar sa research defense? Mag-research ka about your topic. Be confident.
Research presenters.
I am Jazz.
And I am Apoy.
And I am Shan.
And this is our research.
But you, tignan mo hindi ako makatawa.
This is our research entitled ito bang research ba?
Weaving Communication Competencies
Sige nga.
Society. My Carla ikaw.
Unsa na, Soy?
Kanta.
Sige. Binsoy is making a song.
Wow.
Wow. Support natin si Binsoy. Ako si Binsoy. Ang unggoy sa bahay ni Kuya.
Binsoy, pila na mo edad?
Ansa? Fresh from the farm.
Ha?
22.
Bye, Wow, itur ko niya sa Siargao. Sige, I went. Naka-twice na ako sa Siargao.
si Kihor.
Sige, matatag si Kihor.
Kami balay sa si Kihor. Dito na ako po yung Jasmine.
Ay, si Mami lang. Pag yung balay na Mami lang.
Kami balay.
Ay, kamuna.
Dito na siya tito. Dito na siya tito.
They sound na ba pa sa road research defense? Know your topic. Fight for it. Defend for it.
Gamit og Mendeley.
You cannot cram the RRL.
Oh, yeah.
So, just do it. Go through
Actually, watch me.
Watch me from the...
Watch me kaya may research paper.
Yes.
Mendeley? Oo, gamit mo Mendeley. Sobrang big help ang Mendeley.
And also, your...
They're teaching pa. Ay, sabi. They're also teaching. Siya teaching sa UP. Teaching sa Siliman, but has also another job. Natawal disclose.
People how to speak like me.
Yung research, hindi siya kailangan quantitative. So, pwede din qualitative.
Oh my gosh, good luck sa thesis defense, research defense. Ganun lang, pag kailangan mo i-defend, ganun lang, ma'am, defend.
Ma'am!
Ma'am!
Or sometimes, they don't mean harm. So, yes and lang din. Just take in their suggestions. Hindi yun all about you all the time. So, just take it lang sometimes.
And I feel like trust the process that you've made.
Trust the process.
Kasi nag-research ka eh. So, it's just a question. Mindset mo yan pagpasok mo sa
The
defense mo.
question is, does the process know that we trust it?
Yun lang.
Di po ta sure.
Dili ta sure nga, kabalo ang process nga.
Trust na to siya.
Shoutout Aliyah. Mauna siya.
Good luck. Kailan?
Kanay mong giling ko dara Binsoy ni book ka o grab abot mo ka diri. Ikaw mo lead sa prayer. Ikaw mo lead sa prayer di may mga ano di ka maabot diri.
Ali Dusoy.
Ikaw na mo ko pero ginatintal mo ko niya sa balot.
Ali.
Pwede pa ka mapas po eh. Para magbalot.
Finland. Kabalo dito ba Bisaya? Ma'am, Bisaya ako, ma'am. Taga Dumaguete ko, ma'am.
Sabi ni Nurse Ellie,
Good luck, Queenie.
super cute ni Epoy. I love him na. Ellie ha?
Excuse me. Wait.
Ellie. Ellie. Sino si Ellie?
Nurse Ellie.
Nurse Ellie. Ellie.
Hi, James.
You should be loyal to me.
Ah.
She's a fan. She's a fan.
Hi, Ellie.
May gabi sa inyong tanan. May gabi,
Ellie.
hello? Hindi ka po yung nag-type liyan. Sorry kayo. Hindi ka po yung nag-type. Pastos pag kayo. Hey, Althea.
Hey, J. Pineapple.
Eliza.
Ano si Ellie?
Hindi.
I want him. Take me. Wow. I love you.
There, di ba friends sila ni ano? Ayaw kila ka lang. Hindi ka po yung type. Wala ko nakita yung mga lan. Shout out Frian Villaseran.
Shoutout sa kuyab.
Shoutout sa uyab ng Labakat.
Labi po na
Sa uyab ni Frian na si Kat. Shoutout ni mo. Tarungag laba.
Kita na kang sabon nga di mo bula. Jasmine na. Hindi sa'yo.
Kuya Binsoy. Ang daming ganun eh. Pa-shout out Irish from Finland. Wow, you're Irish from Finland. Hi Jane, shout out. Sweet Official, thank you. Hello Silingan. Hi Shai Shai.
Si Jan to.
Neighbor? No,
Is back Shout out Silingan Silimanites.
Silingan sa Norte. Soy, gawan niyo po kanta. Uy, may kanta yan si Binsoy for, na nagawa sa loob ng bahay. Hindi pa, tatapusin yun ni Binsoy.
Mark, nag-i-invite si Mark.
Pasok, Mark. Di ba sabi namin maglilive na? So, invite, hindi ko ma-invite si Mark.
Hindi siya makasulod direct eh.
Search na guys.
Mark?
Dira daw si mo
Mark.
Marky.
Not on live. Kailangan siya mag-live, tapos i-invite natin siya.
Oo nga, mag-live siya.
Ate Just nail reveal.
She just got this earlier today.
Yeah.
What's the color of this?
Oh, this looks so good.
This is your color.
So good color.
Like, look at this. This kanis silang dalawa.
See? See, I'm so smart. Actually, this palette, feel ako powder, and then this shades.
Yeah.
And I think maybe
Talked about that.
Yun na, Ate Just, actually, color analysis na po tayo. Ate, kapoy nakag-type mini-vlog. Kung si mga lang mini-vlog. Andiyan na si Mark?
Wala pa siya.
Kailangan siya mag-live eh.
Lakado.
Shout out po Ate Ray.
This is a snack. Oh, sorry, no. Sorry, hindi pala allowed.
Shout out Kimi. Hi Andrea. Grabe na palang oily na ng face. Ate Jazz, tagda ko. Binsoy, sorry, English class kasi to. Nakaka-girl best friends? Yes! But they're in Dumaguete. I have 6 sisters. Ayla, Jofana, Triksha, Mary Rose, Franzil, Kyla. And then, yeah. And I also have here, Layla. Shout out to you, Layla. Anong fave color nyo? Anong fave color mo daw, Binsoy?
Favorite color ko, black, white, and green.
Azzy. Here's Mark.
Ano?
Ito na si Mark.
Si Mark?
By accepting yes, you will disconnect from... Wait. Ang hirap pala dito. Ano ba to?
Invite mo ako.
Wait, I don't know how to do this. Teka lang, sorry. Ay, nawala si Mark.
Not live kasi siya. Dapat mag-live siya bago natin.
Oh, nag-live na siya.
Not on live siya.
Ay, nawala siya ulit. Sabi mo ulitin.
Oo nga. Itin mo, Mark. Mark, hello.
Trisha, hello. Hello po, Azzy.
Hi, Maxen.
Shoutout Liana yung hila. Jana. Princess from Jensen. Shoutout to
We love you, Princess. Yung dream name ko, Princess.
Princess. Hello.
Princess Shem.
Princess Shem.
Stop it. Ayaw ko makawala dito.
Prinsesa ng buhay. O nga, bakit hindi pwede tumawa si Shem?
Yung sabi, Ate Jazz, huwag ka magsuot ng eyeglasses, hindi ba kasi, ay be,
Hindi siya makakakita. Grabe naman kayo.
nakita naman, per blurry.
Siya, magalang
Di ako
This is
makatawa.
not for fancy things, guys.
Di ako makatawa kasi nagpa-tooth extraction ako, wisdom tooth ko.
Ate Jazz, Arnella, hello. When kaulig Dumaguete, wala ko kabalo, guys. Hi, Gianna Faith. Binsoy. Akan na ba si Mark?
Minsan yan, si Renz, gwapo daw ka.
Bakit nawala si
Siya
Mark?
pilot, no?
Soy nami balot, soy.
Soy balot, soy. Kumawa.
Dami taon. Una sila.
Hello po. Hello, baby girl. Hi, Belly. Happy birthday. Wow, from Bais City.
Sorry, Bais.
Bais. Hey, baby girl 15. Hi, Glyza. Ay, po si Colette. Hala, let's go mga Bisaya.
Nalagay masayista sa likod.
Ay, wala.
Sure.
Ano na ba to? Hindi ko alam, di ko makikita eh. Oh, invitation certificate. Okay, sige pa. We're gonna send it to so many people.
Oh no, sorry.
Like 58 people.
Oh sorry, I'm so bad at this. Oh, you can just send them a link if you want. Sorry, I'm new to TikTok.
No, me too.
Oh, there. Yes.
Yes.
No, let's just finish.
Anyway, mag-e-end muna ako ng live. Kasi kakain muna kami ng dinner. And then,
Guys, we cooked.
because they cook dinner, you know?
Third So tonight we cooked adobo, ginataan, and chicken skin for her. Comfort for the heart.
Sana all.
Ginatali, soy.
Then balot for dessert.
Ha?
Have a good dinner, everyone.
Have a good dinner. Have a good Sunday. A blessed Sunday to all.
Oo. Rest well, cause tomorrow, bakbakan na ulit. It's Monday na. Fight tayo, Jasmine, do this. Fight.
Fight. Sorry.
Fight.
Fight?
Slowly lang. Like, take your...
Diba?
Fight. Go, soy, fight.
Nanumbag, matibig sa'yo. Ay!
Gikapoy na ka, te Helen. Same mo pangalan sa lola ko. Yung great-grandmother ko din, Helen. Bye guys, because we're gonna eat na. Bye-bye. I love you, everyone. Spread love, not hate. If you don't have any good to say,
Don't say it.
don't say it. Don't comment. So like when nagtatype kayo, you don't feel bad. Anyway, don't make up stories. Yun. Anyway, yun lang. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time. Bye, Soy. Soy, di ka manhig yun. Sure na? Final na? Promise?
Promises.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye, Soy. Ingat. Amping.
Bye, Soy!
Bye-bye.